Class, we were talking about digital camera. First of all, what is camera? Camera stores the image on a film which is then developed, while digital camera captures the image on a sensor and store it in a memory card. Simply कैमरा जब हम पिक्चर खींचते हैं तो उसको हम उसकी फिल्म को डेवलप कराते हैं, तो फिर हमें उसकी आउटपुट मिलती है, राइट। सिर्फ इनपुट ही गई है, आउटपुट उसमें हमें लेनी पड़ती है, राइट। इन डिजिटल कैमरा जो पिक्चर है वो सेंसर पे प्लेस होती है और मेमोरी कार्ड में स्टोर होती है. आफ्टर दैट वी विल टेक प्रिंट आउट फॉर इट. Next, digital camera takes photograph in digital form and also can take video with sound. A photo taken in digital form can be viewed and printed immediately, but it is saved in that memory card. Like in this picture, page number 12, you can see this is LCD screen and this is the front side of camera. As you can see, this is front view and this is back view, right? This screen they are saying LCD screen, which is called liquid crystal display. Here you can view images. It stores the images in a small memory device. This images can also be transferred in a computer. Right? Now, next we have a microphone. What is a microphone? It is used to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation. माइक्रोफोन को हम सिंपली माइक भी कहते हैं, जिस तरह क्लास हम लोग असेंबली में माइक यूज करते हैं. दिस इज probably that. Now, as it is an input device, input audio into our computer, right? Next we can discuss, it has different uses. We can use to record our voice. It is a voice recorder. Online chatting, when we voice chatting, हम जब बात करते हैं वहाँ पे माइक अटैच होता है. लैपटॉप में हम लोगों की सब चीज़ें हैं. इन डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स वी हैव टू अटैच दिस सेपरेटली, और सब कुछ अटैच हमारी मॉनिटर के साथ, हमारे CPU बॉक्स के साथ होता है, राइट? I can show you here, like in this picture, I think desktop, this is desktop computer, while here there is no CPU box. Everything is attached to a CPU box. I will show you in your next lecture. I will take a picture of it. Everything is attached to a CPU box. Right? We can sing a song using this mic. These all are input devices. Microphone, digital camera, web camera, joystick, trackball, mouse, keyboard. In next class, we will study output devices. Okay, this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.